How to add Venmo to Splitwise. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Venmo to Splitwise. So, what the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Splitwise account created on your phone already and you have the app installed on your mobile device. Once you have met these two requirements, ensure you are using the latest version of Splitwise, okay? And then how do you know if you are using the latest version? Just go to your Play Store and type out Splitwise. Once you type out Splitwise, in the position where you can see the option open, you see the option update. All right, so just click on it to update the app. Once the app has been updated, go and then open up the app. So once you open up the app, you will be brought to the page automatically where you would see your groups and then your friends, your activity, and then accounts. And then at this stage, I must let you know that for you to be able to add Venmo to your Splitwise is a feature that is only available for US users. Okay, if you're not a US user, you cannot add Venmo to your Splitwise. So once you're a US participant or a user, just ensure you have a Venmo account created already and that you have the Venmo app installed on your mobile device. Once you have it installed and once you've added it or you've created an account of Venmo already, just select the expense that you would want to settle up. Okay, so just click on settle up. All right, once you click on settle up, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be asked to select the balance that you would like to settle up. So you select it, and once you've selected it, at this stage you will see the option settle up using your Venmo account. All right, you see it on this page. Okay, and then once you select your Venmo account, you'll be directed to a screen where you'll be asked to input your Venmo bank account as well as other details. Follow the details and then click on the tick icon by the top right corner. Once you click on this tick icon, your Venmo account will be used to make payments automatically on Splitwise. It is that simple, okay? So this is how you can add to Venmo on Splitwise. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.